Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Asia-Pacific equity bled lower. Today, the index, Nikkei and Shanghai, as well as index, fell 1 to 2%. Europe's Stoxx 600 has fallen more than 1% in the fourth consecutive session. U.S. futures are also trading at more than 1% below their previous session. The dollar is being bid well. The dollar has reached new two-year highs in comparison to the Chinese yuan and the dollar bloc. Sterling fell to its lowest level in 85 years, thanks to worse than expected retail sales. The stronger dollar and higher rates are not able to match gold. Today, it has fallen to $1,654, a new low for gold in 2 years. After falling almost 4% yesterday, the December WTI is now steady at $84. Asian Pacific market. Officials from Japan have encouraged the consolidation of the yen's exchange rate through job owning. Last week, the JPY 145.00 was retested. It held. Chart support at 141.65 also held. China's economic data suggests some recovery. However, the headwinds are substantial as the property market, which has been a vital engine of growth and development, is not fixed. Yesterday's vote by 17 votes to 5, the U.S. Senate Foreign Relations Committee approved a bill to strengthen the U.S.-Taiwan relations. Next, the Senate must vote in its entirety. Yesterday, the Australian dollar fell below support at $0.06,700, and today it took out the July low for a new two-year low of $0.6670. Market of Europe. Sterling was sold at its lowest level since 1985 on the anniversary of Black Wednesday, when sterling fell out of the European exchange rate mechanism. Before the UK reported terrible retail sales, sterling was already under severe pressure. August retail sales plummeted 1.6%. This is the biggest drop this year. Retail sales only increased in July, which was also the hottest month. The euro fell to new lows this week, but it held its 20-year low of $0.09,865. Market of America. Markets now expect the Fed to raise its rate by half a point at each of its two meetings in the fourth quarter. Notable is the fact that European rates have not risen as much as U.S. rates are expected. In particular, the U.S. two-year premium over Germany reached its peak in August at 277 bp. The University of Michigan's consumer survey includes inflation expectations and is expected to be released this weekend. As the markets close, today's International Capital Flow report from Treasury is published. Canada reports August housing starts, wholesale trade, and July portfolio capital flows. Today's purchase lifted the greenback to CAD 13300, an all-time high of almost 2 years. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.